My name is Wakoli Samuel, head teacher of Namirembe Day and Boarding Primary School in Budaka. Today we are so much impressed. We have received a team from DECEDA. These people have come from Nkumba University. They are working in a partnership with UCC. This group, they are trying to introduce digital learning in primary schools, and this is something which is very new. So I'm so much impressed with the innovation that the government is bringing in. Actually, the coming of this innovation is going to bridge the gap between the rural schools in our country and then the schools in the urban centers. According to the explanation we have heard from these officers that have come, the thing is going to be so interesting. One of the aims of the introduction of this digital learning is to see that they reduce the gap that has been there in performance. You realize that schools in central, schools in the urban areas, there is a way they have been performing compared to the schools in rural areas. So according to the program, 6 schools are involved in this program in Eastern Uganda. Namirembe is part of the 6 schools that have been selected, and the program will help us to realize what is learned in some other schools that are involved in the program, and then also so that we benefit what is taught in other schools, it is also taught here. Actually, it is going to bring in collaboration so that there is no big difference, so that the content which is taught in the is the same content taught in the other 5 schools that have been selected. Our children have been just watching this on TV, but this one has come as a reality. According to the gadgets that they have brought, I believe our children, the teachers, are going to benefit. Formerly, we have been teaching on the blackboard, but according to the gadgets that they have brought, as if we are moving away from the use of chalk to digital learning. Learning is going to take place without the teacher using chalk. The children are going to watch the teaching on the screen that has not been there. We are really so much impressed with the introduction of DECEDA. The coming of DECEDA, I know, is going to improve performance in the schools in Eastern Uganda. With that, I want to thank the Ministry of Education. I want to thank Nkumba University for making it and for choosing Namirembe to be part of this program. Ministry of Education, we thank you for this wonderful innovation, and we believe the coming of this is going to change the results. We are really so grateful on behalf of all the children of Namirembe, on behalf of the School Management Committee of Namirembe. We promise that we shall protect what has been delivered for the good of the children and for the good of our country, Uganda. We thank DECEDA, we thank Nkumba University for whatever they are trying to extend to Eastern Uganda. Once again, my name is Wakoli Samuel, head teacher, Namirembe. So grateful for the coming of this innovation. Thank you.